everyone and welcome to Flipkart. I'm Radhika and today I'm reviewing the LG 49L J617V Smart TV. This is one of the best-selling televisions in the market currently and it has plenty of class-apart features. So let's have a look at them all one by one. This LG TV comes with the most advanced TV display panel, which is the IPS panel. The IPS panel ensures that the picture quality is absolutely detailed and does pure justice to your viewing content without any form of discoloration. It assures accurate color and zero fadedness, irrespective of the viewing angle. This TV is also equipped with a built-in set-top box. It's a smart satellite TV which assures better picture quality, single remote operation and less power consumption. Along with improving the aesthetic value of your living room by giving a neat look to your entertainment unit, this TV also saves you money by eliminating the need to purchase and install a separate set-top box. This television comes with a magic remote. The magic remote can be operated from any corner of the room. It works like a mouse pointer so that you experience ease in operating this television. This remote is also universal in nature, and that means whatever be the function, you can easily use just one remote to control your television. With a rich 4K content experience, you get to enjoy unlimited content on Amazon, Netflix, YouTube, along with local content and movies on built-in apps like Eros, Hungama, SunNext, and many more. With the new LG 49L J617V smart television, multitasking is as easy as it can get. With the Smart Web OS, which is designed specifically for televisions, you can surf internet while watching a live match. You can open multiple windows and you never have to miss a moment again with this feature. This LG TV also lets you share your mobile's content with utmost ease. With its lightning-fast processing speed, you can connect your mobile screen and easily upgrade from a small screen to a big one. The best of all, you can also play games using your television's remote. With this LG TV, you don't just enjoy best picture quality but also best sound output. You can easily connect your soundbar, headset or speaker to the television via Bluetooth and enjoy louder and clearer sound in practically no time. The launcher bar of this LG TV is your portal to everything your smart television with WebOS has to offer. Navigate from here and easily access the best of entertainment at your fingertips. Moving on, this LG TV also lets you expand its storage and memory by plugging in a USB drive for more app and content. This television also comes with a pre-installed high-definition cricket game that you can play with your friends and family. You access it from the launcher bar and use your television's remote to play. So friends, I think the LG 49L J617V 4K Smart TV gives you an unmatched and ultimate TV viewing experience with plenty of advanced and user-friendly features. I will give it a 2 thumbs up and suggest you buy it right away. Also, buying this television on Flipkart is a deal you should not miss because on Flipkart you get quick delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo and a short brand warranty. So what are you waiting for? Come join the Flipkart family now. That's all from me for today. Have a perfect buy.